Odd-shaped dishware or occasionally need more room? Whirlpool brand dishwasher improvements give you flexible capacity when and where you need it most. The improved Anywhere Plus silverware basket now holds up to 12 more pieces and is designed to clean better. Place the silverware basket on the front of the rack, in the bottom of the rack, or on the door for 100% usable rack space. Our industry-exclusive, easy-adjustable lower rack tines move left or right to fit your dishes and offer twice the space between tines to fit larger bowls for optimal cleaning. You can also create space for larger items or secure small items with fold-down tines. And the narrow profile of our easy-to-lift adjustable upper rack doesn't interfere with loading or unloading and adjusts 2 inches up or down to fit larger items.